Reading text on your computer screen can take a toll on your eyes after a while. Fortunately, there's Read Mode. It makes reading text documents easier with a larger, full-screen view. To turn on Read Mode, go to the View tab and click the Read Mode button. Now you can page through your document horizontally, rather than vertically, which is helpful for reading on devices like tablets. Reading black text on a white screen for a long period of time can be strenuous on your eyes. Read Mode includes color options to reduce contrast and minimize eye strain. Try using the Sepia page color to make reading easier. To change the page color in Read Mode, click View, select Page Color from the drop-down menu, then select Sepia. To exit Read Mode, click View and select Edit Document from the drop-down menu. Give Read Mode a try next time your eyes need a break.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.